Welcome to check video of Mikrosize, toolmaker measuring microscope which is widely used in semiconductor industry. Today we recommend you uVision toolmaker measuring microscope with multiple functions. Digital readout, it has precise counting with high accuracy. uVision toolmaker measuring microscope. Using an electric or manual coating nosepiece with 5 positions. It has a lighting memory function. One-click zeroing of coordinates makes it convenient for the operator to carry out different measurements. It supports switching between bright field and dark field. It supports auxiliary zooming, making focusing simpler and faster. It supports a variety of measurement modes, such as points, lines, circles, arcs, and angles. It supports the measurement mode of the tool microscope, allowing users to measure parameters outside the field of view. It supports the depth of field fusion function, enabling users to view the product, images of 2 different focal planes in the same picture. It supports image stitching function, with fast stitching speed and clear images.